In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the new look in Microsoft Edge in just a few seconds. This is a quick and easy customization that changes the appearance of your Edge homepage and gives it a fresh new style. If you use Edge every day, this is a simple way to make your browser feel cleaner, more modern, and easier to use. And if this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software videos just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge and go to the home page. Once you're there, look for the page settings icon. It usually appears like a small gear icon, and it's the place where you can adjust how your Edge homepage looks and behaves. Go ahead and click that page settings icon to open the customization options. After the settings panel opens, you should see an option for the new look. This is the feature that changes the visual style of the page. To turn it on, simply find the switch next to New Look and toggle it on. As soon as you do that, Edge will apply the updated appearance right away. You may notice the layout, styling, or overall look of the home page change instantly, giving you that refreshed new design. If you ever want to switch it back, you can return to the same page settings area and toggle the option off again. That's all there is to it. You've now turned on the new look in Edge using the page settings menu. It only takes a moment, but it can make a big difference in how your browser feels every time you open it. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more quick Edge tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.